I am K. Seethlakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of IT, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukottai. Now I am going to take about Introduction to IoT. What is meant by IoT? IoT means is a system of interrelated computing device, mechanical and digital machine, objects, animals or people that are provided with unique identifier and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to computer interaction. This is a IoT. How IoT works? Sensor, connectivity, data processing, user interface. First of all, we going to see about sensor devices. Sensor or devices or a key component that help you to collect live data from the surrounding environment. All this data may have various level of complexities. It could be simple temperature monitoring sensor or it may be in the form of video feed. Connectivity. Next, we are going to see about connectivity. All the collected data is sent to a cloud infrastructure. The sensor should be connected to the cloud using various mediums of communication. This communication medium include mobile or satellite network, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN, etc. Data processing. Once the data is collected and it gets to the cloud, the software perform processing on the gathered data. This process can be just checking the temperature, reading on device like AC or heater. However, it can sometimes also be a very complex like identifying object using computer version on video. Next, we are going to see about user interface. The information need to be available to the end user in some way which can be achieved by triggering alarms on their phones and sending them notification through the email or text message. The user sometimes might need an interface which actively check their IoT system. For example, the user has a camera installed in his home. He wants to access video recording and all the feeds with the help of the web server. What is an example of IoT device? A light lamp, a light bulb that can be switched on using a smartphone app is an IoT device, as is a motion sensor or a smart thermostat in your office or a connected street light. An IoT device could be as fluffy as a child's toys or as serious as a driverless truck. Some larger objects may themselves be filled with many smaller IoT components such as a jet engine that's now filled with thousands of sensors collecting and transmitting data back to make sure it is operating efficiently. IoT benefits to organization monitor their overall business process and improving the customer experience, save time and money, enhance employee productivity, integrate and adapt business models, make better business decisions and generate more revenue. What are the IoT applications? Smart thermostats, connected cars, activity trackers, parking sensor, connect health, smart city. These are the IoT applications. What are the challenge of IoTs? Insufficient testing and updating, concern regarding data security and privacy, software complexity, data volume and interpretation, integration with AI and automation. Devices require a constant power supply, which is difficult. Interaction on short range communications. What are the advantage of IoT? Ability to access information from anywhere at any time on any device. Improved communication between connected electronic devices, transferring data packets over a connected network, saving time and money. Automatic task helping to improve the quality of a business services and reducing the need for human interventions. These are all the advantages of IoT. Next, we are going to see about disadvantage of IoT. First disadvantage is as the number of connected devices increase and more information is shared between devices, the potential that a hacker could steal the confidential information also increases. Enterprises may eventually have to deal with massive numbers, maybe even million of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be challenging. If there is a bug in the system, it's likely that every connected device will become corrupted. There is no international standard of compatibility for IoT. It's difficult for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. These are all the disadvantage of IoT. Thank you.